Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. Firstly, check is your Bluetooth turned on, open control panel and turn on the Bluetooth if it's turned off. Now, your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically, and it happened all the time for iOS devices. We need to do this manually. So open Bluetooth, settings, then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, tap at your earbuds. And we have connection. Next step is to perform soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case. Then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. Then open it and your headphones reconnect to your phone automatically. As you can see, we have connection, but as I said before, that sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so go to the Bluetooth and tap at your device here. Next step is to remove your earbuds and add them back. So, firstly, in the Bluetooth, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device or forget device or only forget or remove or unpair and forget device. We just remove them, then we should pair them back. Put your earbuds to the charging case and this time do not close the case. At the right side we have connection button, press and hold it for at least 2 seconds, this the light start blinking white, and we just enter pairing mode. Now we should see them, so I need to reopen the Bluetooth. If you have Android, click pair new device to see them, or refresh button if you have this button, and then tap at your earbuds. And we have connection. Next step, if it also didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, you need to again put them to the charging case and again do not close the case. Press and hold connection button at the right side for at least 10 seconds until the LED light flashes red. Firstly, start blinking white, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode, keep holding connection button. And we have red LED light. You can release your finger and then we should reconnect them with the phone. So again, go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device or forget, or unpair or remove, and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. Not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to click at the refresh button, or maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now tap at your headphones at the device list, and we have connection. If you want to reconnect them also with the application, open HUAWEI Live app or HUAWEI Connect application, and if it asks you to pair, click pair. Excellent. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find the similar path to these settings. Okay, so on your iPhone, open settings, then we should go to the general settings. Scroll down, and at the bottom you will find transfer reset iPhone. Tap at that line, click reset, then select reset network settings, write your password, and click reset network settings. And again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. Then we should go to the System. Scroll down, click at the System. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android at the bottom, we have Reset options. Tap at that line, then select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. And again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!